MSC Divina is one of the largest in the fleet, and as you can see, no expense is spared. The ship is named after Italian screen legend Sophia Loren, and much like its namesake, the Divina is glittering, it is elegant, and it is full of glamour. She pulled into harbor November 2013 to great fanfare in Miami. Not only is this the latest addition to the Fantasia class, it is also just breathtaking to look at. And the exclusive partnerships on board the Divina offer Italian brands like Fiat, Italy, and Di Serono, which make it a cut above the rest. The ship has 18 decks, the top 2 belonging to the Private Yacht Club, a first-class ship-within-a-ship experience, complete with their own dining, pool, and outdoor lounge areas. The entire ship is carefully crafted with attention to detail, quality, and style. I love the Mediterranean flair and cosmopolitan ambiance. This is not a standard cruise ship by any means. Though the lobby dazzles with its Swarovski staircase, sometimes the best place can be in your own luxurious room. The Aquapark makes up the 2-level central decks. Here there are fountains, a variety of pools and lounges, a stage, 2 bars, and yes, a gelato stand. At the back of the deck, there's an infinity pool and garden lounge area, as well as the Di Serono cocktail lounge. And there's even a mini soccer stadium and water slide. The Divina has a lot of fun inside as well, with restaurants, lounges, cocktail bars throughout. Each has its own theme and focus, like a dueling piano bar or a sports bar with bowling. The theater hosts nightly performances, and the Galaxy nightclub heats up as the sun goes down. Make some time to indulge in some retail therapy, and don't miss the spa therapy too. The spa offers an array of treatments like thalassotherapy, salt scrubs, and even manicures and pedicures. And the gym and juice bar let you enjoy a workout with a view. And don't forget the food, the variety of dining spaces, from the ample buffets to the premier Italy restaurant, offer up quality, flavor, and variety. The MSC Divina is truly an achievement that is sailing on the 7 seas. Edgy and elegant, European in style, Miami's latest arrival sure has a diva on its hands.